Hi guys, today we'll do solid bushed bearing and I will show you how to draw that in an AutoCAD. So let's take you to the line command. So we'll click left key at the line command to activate the line command and specifying the first point by clicking left key, then giving the length of the line, that's 180, and pressing the left key, then writing 20 mm and pressing again the left key and back 180 and pressing the left key and dropping it down 20 mm and pressing the left key. So then escape mode. So this is how we have drawn the base. Now we need to find out the center of this base, how we can do that. So I will take you to the offset command and I will offset this line by writing 90 mm because total is 180, so 90 is the half of it, then offsetting this line. So this is how we got the center of the base. Then I will extend this line by taking you to the line command and extending this line up and dropping it there by. So this is how we got the center of the base. And now we also need to find out the center of the shaft. So from here to here, so that is 35 mm away. So I will take you the offset command and write 35 mm and I will offset this line by pressing the left key, and this is the center which I was looking for to draw the circles. There are 3 circles which I need to draw. So that is the dia of the shaft, dia of the bush, and the dia of the casing. So these are the 3 circles which I need to draw. Okay, for that I will take you to the circle command and I will choose the center dia, and to find out the circle I will specify the circle, then I will write the dia of the circle, that is 40, and press enter. So for the second I will do the same. I will take you to the circle command and choose the circle command and specify the center of the circle and give the dimensions of the dia, which is 50, then pressing enter. Now to draw the third dia, that is take you to the center command, take you to the center point and writing the dia, that is 80, and pressing enter. So this is how we have drawn these circles. So the inner circle is the dia of the shaft, and the outer circle is the dia of the bush, and the outermost circle is the dia of the casing. So as such there are 3 diameters, or the one hole, that is the dia of the shaft. So now there is an oil hole also which has a dia of 3 mm. So let me show you how to draw that oil hole. Center line, I will offset the center line. So 1.5 mm from one end and 1.5 from one end. So I took you to the offset command and I will write 1.5 mm and press enter. Then I will offset the center line from this end 1.5 and from the other end 1 point, from this end also 1.5. So this was for the oil hole. And now what I need to show you, I can take you to the line command and I can draw from here up to the base the line and press enter. So again on the other end I can do the same, clicking left key and dropping it there by clicking left key, then escape. So this thing has been done. Now I need to show you there are the 2 holes in the base. They are apart, 130 apart from each other. Their centers are 130 mm apart from each other. So how I can draw, I can offset, take you to the offset command, and from this line to this center of that hole, that is 25 mm away. So I will write 25 mm away and enter, and then I will offset this by clicking left key. So same can be done on the other side. That will give me the center of that hole. Now that hole is 24 mm, having the 24 mm dimension. So that means I have to offset this line 12 mm on this end and 12 mm on the other, on this end. So I will take you to the offset command and I will write 12 mm, then press enter, and I will offset this center line 12 mm on this end and 12 mm on this end. So same can be followed to the other end also. Yes, by entering the left key. So one more thing which I need to do, I need to show the arc here. There is an arc. So how I can draw that arc? I will take you to the arc command, and I will mention the first point of the arc, then the second point of the arc, and then a radius. So this is how we can draw the arc here. So same process can be done on the other side. Again, going to the arc command, picking the arc command, choosing the first point and choosing the second point, clicking left key there, then drawing it very neatly there by clicking the left key. So this is how we have done. So now one more thing, that there is a cut portion beneath the base that is 4 mm above. So 4 mm, I will offset this line. So I will take you to the offset command, and I will write 4 mm, press enter, then I will offset this line. That is how it needs to be done. Now all things has been done. Now we need to do the cleaning process, as I am showing you the full section, full front view and section. So I need to just do the cleaning part. I will take you to the trim command, and I will highlight all those things. Then I will start trimming the lines which are not necessary in the diagram. So my dear students, if you have not liked my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and please do share this channel with your friends and colleagues, so that I can make more videos for your benefit. So I am highlighting everything, whatever needs to be cleaned. So I am highlighting, taking the trim command there and pressing the left key. By pressing the left key, we are highlighting. We have highlighted all dimensions, then press enter. So if I enter, then we can start trimming. By entering, now we can start trimming, which are unwanted lines there, which we can trim off. So I enjoy this command, that is the trim command, trimming my diagram to give it a final shape. So we take it there and press the left key and continuously doing to those lines which are unwanted lines, which we do not need. So we can do that continuously. So most of the trim work has been done. There are few lines still which needs to be cleaned. So for that, what we need to do, still some lines are there which we can trim off with using this trim command. Now there are few more lines which are unwanted, and I can take you to the erase command. There is an erase command at the upper here, taking it there and picking the erase command, and now directly deleting those, erasing those lines which are unwanted lines, one by one. So these are the unwanted lines which are not, this is also needs to go. Then after this, pressing enter. So this is how we have done the cleaning part. Now the last part needs to be, because this is full half in section, so what I need to do, I will show you. Before that, I will show you the how to give the dimensions. I took you to the dimension command and showed the dimension of this circle, that is then showing for this circle, taking the dimensions there and pressing the left key. Again I'll go for the dimension command and for this circle. So these are the various dimensions, and now I will also show you the dimensions which are there for the base. From this point to this point, it is 180. So dropping the dimensions there. So dimensions have been shown. Now, as I said, this is full half in section. So now I will take you to the hatching command, so that I can hatch the parts directly and also to differentiate them. So this is where we have to go. This is the hatching command. So I press left key there to, now I can drop it there. to distinguish, this is the brass which I have hatched. Now the other casing needs to be also hatched, so I will choose the different pattern for that. This is the same pattern. Now I'll pick the different pattern. This is what I should do. So I will drop it there, and now last part needs to be done. I need to drop it there, and the other side same. So this is how we have done the whole drawing, that is full half in section. I hope guys you have enjoyed the class. If you have enjoyed the class, please do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that I can make such more videos in future. So thank you very much for watching me.